Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook an egg on a cast iron skillet. First, let's get that skillet ready. Place your cast iron skillet on the stovetop and preheat it over medium-low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. This ensures even heat distribution. Next, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter or a high smoke point oil like avocado or grapeseed oil. Make sure the entire cooking surface is well coated. This is key for a non-stick experience. Now for the star of the show, the egg. Gently crack 1 or 2 eggs directly into the center of your well-oiled, preheated skillet. For a perfectly runny yolk, cook for about 2 to 3 minutes without flipping. If you prefer a firmer yolk, simply cook for an additional minute or 2. For over-easy, carefully flip the egg after about 2 minutes and cook for just 30 seconds on the other side. The secret to a truly non-stick cast iron experience lies in 2 main factors. First, ensure your skillet is properly seasoned. A well-seasoned pan creates a natural non-stick surface. Second, always use a generous amount of cooking fat, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, to completely coat the bottom. This creates a barrier between the egg and the iron. Also, avoid overcrowding the pan. Cook 1 or 2 eggs at a time for best results. Once your egg is cooked to perfection, gently slide it from the skillet onto your plate. Enjoy your delicious, perfectly cooked egg. For cleaning, it's best to do it while the skillet is still warm. Use hot water and a stiff brush or scraper. Avoid soap if possible to preserve the seasoning. Dry the skillet thoroughly on the stovetop over low heat, then apply a very thin layer of cooking oil to maintain its non-stick properties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.